Instead of lounging in bed and doom scrolling through your feed, you can now begin your dinner prep from bed. Upliance is an AI cooking assistant which automates cooking, chopping, and stirring so you can stop eating boring food. Upliance's mobile app shows you everything that it can cook. Find your next meal based on your mood or figure out what to eat based on what's in your fridge. You can choose from what everyone loves, top rated, what we think you should be eating, recommended, or replay your favorite hits, favorites. Open up a recipe and you get nutrition per serving, customize the serving size, and find complete list of ingredients for them. Copy the ingredients with a single tap and order everything you need in minutes. The new create feature lets you replicate your Ajji's rasam or that trendy influencer recipe. Create the recipe on the app and you can cook it on your appliance. We have made cooking so easy, you are running out of excuses to avoid your kitchen. Get the appliance and stop eating boring food.